In this tutorial, we'll show you some ways to use KOAPRO Massage Tools to release tightness and discomfort in the back of your thighs. The hamstrings are crucial for lower body movement, like bending and straightening our legs. Whether you're dealing with leg, back, or foot pain, or simply want to improve your post-workout recovery, these techniques can help. Before we begin, warm up your muscles with a few minutes of cardio or stretches. You can use KOAPRO tools directly on your skin with oil or over thin clothing. Let's start with the upper part of your hamstrings, under your glutes. Grab your KOAPRO massage tool and apply long, gentle strokes, gradually working down to the back of your knee. Use side-to-side and up and down motions with the KOAPRO fingers. Start with light pressure to allow tension release and muscle relaxation. Remember to breathe deeply as you massage. Gradually increase pressure as needed. You can also use KOAPRO thumbs to gently press into trigger points or tension areas. The KOAPRO Gua Sha Massage Tool has smooth, flat edges for gentle scraping of the skin using upward strokes to enhance circulation and rejuvenate your muscles. Continue breathing deeply and staying relaxed throughout the massage. If areas feel extra tense, reduce pressure and continue with light strokes. Once the area has relaxed, gradually increase sustained pressure to release myofascial adhesions. We recommend spending 1 to 3 minutes on each target area every few days. Listen to your body, monitor its response, and adjust your self-care accordingly. You can use these techniques pre- or post-workout, at home, anywhere you prefer. Consistent use of KOAPRO massage tools will improve muscle flexibility, performance, and recovery over time. Check out our other KOAPRO tutorials for more techniques on other muscle groups and body areas. Enjoy unlocking your muscles' full potential with KOAPRO.